Why mechanics always buy old used cars. The truth revealed. You might have noticed something interesting. Mechanics almost always drive old, used cars. But why? Is it just a personal preference? Or is there a deeper reason? In this video, we're going to uncover why mechanics love old cars, the advantages of owning a used car, and the surprising secrets behind their choices. By the end, you'll understand why driving a brand new car might actually be the worst decision for someone who knows cars inside out. Chapter 1. Mechanics understand the value of money. First, let's talk about money. Mechanics work hard, but they also understand depreciation better than anyone else. A brand new car loses around 20 to 30% of its value in the first year. A $30,000 car today could be worth just $21,000 in 12 months. Mechanics know this, so instead of wasting money on a brand new car, they invest in used vehicles that have already taken the biggest depreciation hit. This way, they get a car that runs just as well, without throwing away tens of thousands of dollars the moment they drive it off the lot. Chapter 2. Mechanics can fix any problem. Mechanics don't fear car problems. They solve them. Old cars might need frequent repairs, but for a mechanic, this isn't a burden. It's an opportunity. They know which parts wear out faster, how to fix engines, brakes, or transmissions, which cars are cheap to maintain. For a non-mechanic, a used car can be intimidating. For a mechanic, it's just another project. And often, these old cars can be cheaper to repair than buying a new one when minor problems arise. Chapter 3. Old cars are reliable if maintained. Contrary to popular belief, old cars can be extremely reliable, especially in the hands of someone who knows how to maintain them. Mechanics can spot potential problems before they become serious. They know how to maintain engines for decades, replace worn parts before failure, keep old vehicles running like new. Some mechanics even prefer classic cars or cars with simpler technology because there are fewer electronics that can fail. Modern cars are packed with sensors, computers, and software, which can make repairs expensive and complicated. An old car may break down occasionally, but when it does, a mechanic can fix it in a few hours or even minutes, and that's a major advantage over expensive, high-tech vehicles. Chapter 4. Old cars are easy to modify. Mechanics also love old cars because they're easy to customize and modify. Want a louder exhaust? Better brakes? More horsepower? Old cars are perfect for this. Mechanics can swap engines, upgrade suspension, add performance parts, even restore classics to showroom condition. New cars, especially modern ones, are hard to modify. Manufacturers lock electronics, ECUs, and software. For a mechanic who loves tinkering, old cars are playgrounds for creativity. Chapter 5. Insurance and practicality. Another reason mechanics buy old cars is insurance and practical risk management. Insurance for a new car is expensive. Old cars are cheap to insure. If an old car gets damaged, it's not a financial disaster. Mechanics also drive in conditions most people avoid: rough neighborhoods, construction sites, or workshops where scratches and dents happen. Old cars can take abuse, whereas a new car would be a constant source of stress. Chapter 6. Old cars have personality. Finally, mechanics often buy old cars because they have character and history. Every scratch, dent, and repair tells a story. Old cars have simpler analog controls that mechanics love to feel and work with. Unlike new cars, they're not just a machine. They have personality. For someone who spends their life fixing cars, this connection matters. Driving a new car is like driving a tech device. Efficient but lifeless. Old cars have soul. Conclusion. So why do mechanics always buy old, used cars? They avoid massive depreciation. They know how to repair them easily. Old cars can be highly reliable in skilled hands. They're easy to modify. Insurance and risk are much lower. And most importantly, they have character and personality that new cars lack. The next time you see a mechanic driving a beat-up old car, remember, they're not just saving money. They're driving a vehicle they truly understand, trust, and can control. Old cars aren't broken. They're a mechanic's secret weapon.